video, we will show you how to book hotels in Crew Timeline. We have introduced a new feature enabling the addition of hotel reservations for crew members. Once we assign crew members to a flight, now there is an option to display the required hotel under the three-dot icon. When enabled, Leon will show an icon for each flight if a crew member ends their duty outside their home base. A red H letter indicated an unreserved hotel. Clicking on the icon opens a hotel booking pop-up window where you can select a hotel from the drop-down menu. Set the check-in and check-out times in UTC or base time. Specify the reservation status as requested or confirmed. Assign crew members to the reservation, as well as add notes, which are currently visible in Report Wizard only. Once the reservation details have been added, the H icon changed color to white. If manual publication of drafts is enabled, a pink background indicates that publication is required. Right-clicking on the hotel icon provides three options. Leon users may edit hotel reservations, so modify an existing one, delete from the hotel reservation, so remove existing crew members from the booking, and delete hotel reservation, so delete the entire booking. If a crew performs a series of flights ending at the same airport outside the home base within a specific time range, adding one hotel reservation in the selected time frame will mark all hotel icons as booked. This streamlines the process and saves time for crew planners. An orange icon indicates that the hotel reservation status is requested, while the green color means that it is confirmed. Additionally, a new scope called Hotel Booking has been added to the Report Wizard section. This allows you to generate a report with hotel reservations and filter out hotel bookings by selected airport and status.